In this video, we'll show you how to change the power window mirror switch on your Ford F-150. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Open the door. Using the car trim removal tool, pry out the power window mirror switch plastic trim. Remove the power connector. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Next, unscrew the 3 screws holding the switch using a Torx T10 key. Then, remove the switch from the plastic trim. You can order the power window mirror switch used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new part and install it on the plastic trim. Then, screw the 3 holding screws back in. Reconnect the connector. You can now clip the plastic trim back onto the door panel. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.